In the first takeoff at Zoffingers in Ruskin, Florida. Hey, welcome back to More Proof, everyone. I'm James, and today I'm buying a new kayak. Is it okay, intro? I'm only gonna do it once. So you may have noticed I am in the car. I'm heading down to Marty Zoffinger's place in Ruskin, Florida to pick up the Pelican Catch 130 HD. It is a much bigger kayak than what I have currently. I have a 10-foot Eddy line, Caribbean Angler 12, Pro Angler 12, whatever it is. Really lightweight kayak. I had picked that one up specifically because I had to haul it up and down a whole bunch of stairs. I currently have a kayak rack right near the water, so I don't have to carry it as far, so I can hold and carry an 80 to 90 pound kayak for that short distance without really exerting too much effort, which is what I'm really looking for. However, it's going to be very tricky. It's going to be tricky getting that kayak onto the rack, so it might be a little difficult. We'll find out.
When I got a boat from iCast, it didn't have this U-shaped bracket, and I had to make one out of a piece of PVC. And it was on the boat for a long time. It was like a piece of PVC that had holes drilled this way, and it looked terrible, but it worked.
As long as it works, that's the main goal.
This is for raising and lowering it. It has that nylon insert, so it's like a lock washer. You don't have to tighten it down, I don't think.
All right, we're at Zoffingers. This is the kayak he just put the PowerPole on just the other day. It's a pretty cool upgrade. Might have to do the same with that bad boy. So we're about to launch off here pretty soon, do some fishing, test out the Hydryve, I believe that's what it's called, which was expertly adjusted by Mr. Zoffinger. Can't wait to test it out.
Beautiful.
It makes it easy.
Nice.
For the lazy people like me.
Maybe that's why it stopped earlier, because you said, "Oop."
I've done that. So
Accidentally?
Yeah, so I've had many instances where I was out fishing, I was like, man, I got a fish on. And then I say something, and then it
misinterprets it.
I was like, where'd the fish go? Like, you get into the editing thing, you're like, what's happening?
Look at this, maiden voyage.
In the first takeoff at Zoffingers in Ruskin, Florida. It's going to be interesting using the pedal drive.
Oh yeah.
The question is, does it float? Or a better question, do I float?
Yeah. All right.
So it's pretty stable, which is always a good thing. I could not do this on my Eddy line. I was like, man, how do I put it in reverse? Cutting water, rudder's working. This is a lot easier than paddling. Definitely need a pedal drive kayak.
How are they, by the way? Do you feel like they're too far forward, or?
I'm not quite sure. I'll probably have to play with it a little bit.
Yeah,
just sort of see.
You can adjust them to any of the 5 positions, depending on how tall you are.
This is so much more spacious than the other one. Like the other one is like, you're just crammed in there. Like everything, you're trying to find a space for it. Now it's like, you have so much space in this, it's like, if you don't hear from me in 3 hours, I just paddled it all the way up to Gandy.
Yeah, we'll call the Coast Guard.
Perfect. Thank you. Maiden voyage in my brand new Pelican Catch 130 from Zoffingers in Ruskin, Florida. We're gonna put it through the paces, go for a little bit, and maybe catch some fish. Did bring the gear, as you can see. So check back here shortly. This is a lot quicker to get around with the pedal drive as opposed to the paddle drive. I am super happy with this purchase so far. Not sure if I'll be able to get it on the rack effectively, but we shall find out. So stay tuned for that. It's a fine kayak. It's definitely more approved. So Zoffingers, make sure you come down to Ruskin if you're in the Tampa Bay area and stop in, see what he's got, say hello, run some kayaks. Thanks for watching, everyone. Talk to you later.